right, let's dive deeper. Now, I have decided to start with data types and variable here because I think that data types and variables are the backbone of any programming language, and Java makes no exception here. So if you understand and use data types and variable well, you are off for a very good start in your program, and that is true. Now, during these sessions, some of the data types and variable might seem a bit unclear for some of you. If that is the case, don't worry too much because we will talk about them again in details later in the course. Here, really, you need to just know that they exist, and there is also the demo section that will provide some light to it for you. So now, what is a data type and what is a variable? So here, Wikipedia gave some good definition. It says that a data type is a collection or a grouping of data value usually specified as a set of possible values, a set of allowed operations on these values, and or a representation of this value as a machine type. So here there are three expressions that I always tell my students to focus on. So that is data values, allowed operations on these values, and representations of these values as machine types. So really what it says is there are some data values that is the data type, and those value or data types, there are some operations that are allowed to be performed on them, and those values or the feature data values which are also data types are also represented in some way depending on who they are and what they are in machine types or in memory. Okay, and a variable, according to Wikipedia again, is an abstract storage location paired with an associated symbolic name. This associated symbolic name is what is called the variable name, and the abstract storage location is where the contents of this variable is going to be stored. And the contents of this variable is the data value or are the data value, also known as data types. So the data types or data values, the value of the data type are going to be stored in those abstract storage location. So I hope you see the link between data type and variable. Okay,